All right, so we had another modern performance delivery. So I guess let's get into it. These staples work. All right, here we go. All right, so what we are unboxing here, this is going to be the 23 spline, the synchronizer rings, and the ACT disc for the 23 spline. So let's check this thing out. All right, so this is how they have this packed. It's got some weight to it here. All right, there we go. Look at that goodness. Okay, let's take a look at what that looks like sitting right next to a stock shaft. So there you go, we got the straight cut gears, and then the shaft. It is dimensionally the same the whole way out through. That is freaking wild. Definitely going to be some power going through that one. If this is anything here, stuff is definitely well packaged. Okay, so first and second gear. All right, so along with that, for the install, we ordered the new set of locking rings. 1, 2. There's another 1, 2. 5 in reverse. 5 in reverse. 3 4s. There we go. We have those. And we also got they really suck. The 21 spline 6-puck. Because we already have a 6-puck, but it's for the 17 spline. So this is the only thing we got to upgrade to make that shaft work. But here, check this out. This right here is going to make one heck of a transmission. We got a couple parts coming yet. I'm trying to score a 3rd gear fork that's upgraded also to stick in here. So this is the start of something great. Now we just got to get it together, but that's the end of unboxing the trans. I'm just gonna, I keep a lot of this stuff because I ship stuff too, so we'll be reusing some of this packing supplies, throwing out what we can't use, and we'll see you in the next video. We got some more stuff to unbox. All right, so the coilovers showed up for this job that we're working on, putting on this. We're redoing the suspension on this red car. These came from Modern Performance. They had them in stock. We ordered them the other day and they were shipped out pretty quick. I also did order some other stuff. So there's some presents in this box, I would assume. So one thing was on back order. I ordered the shorter end links for the rear set, for the rear sway bar. Alright. Here we go. The goodness of paper. Alright, now. Oh, there we go. Being that this car is, well, as old as it is, and the brakes fluid's pretty nasty, and we're gonna have everything apart. Since I'm gonna be flushing out the brake system, we got the upgraded hoses to replace the factory ones that are quite aged. So here we go. Let's take a look at these coilovers here. They give you a bag. Like 2 of the adjusters are in there. It's a little different. Normally they're not. Replacement tops if you need them. There's the Allen head. And you know, your 2 keys to adjust your height. But here we go. Here's our front. They'll say 03 to 05 SRT4. These ones are dated March of 22, so that's when they were produced. Looks like those adjustment ones actually go here for the fronts. Let's take a look at a rear one here. Alright, so this will be the left rear, labeled SRT4, March 22. Now, we just got to get these installed. While we're doing this, we are going to, like I had noted, we're going to be doing the brakes and getting them bled out. I also have a set of new front control arms that came with the inner and the outer tie rods and the end lengths. So we'll show you that video too when we get this car pushed back in and we start working on the suspension. Oh, here's our clamps and our washers for our brake hoses. But there we go. Look at that smooth ride upgrade right there. We'll get a little bit more pedal feel out of these right there. But man, I don't know, like I like them. I've installed, man, probably like 4 or 5 sets of these things brand new amongst other used sets. And the BC Racing coilovers just seem to be, I don't know, one of the nicer sets as far as adjustment, reliability, long-term use. Before I install these, I will pull my sleeves off and I will coat the bodies of these with anti-seize. That way I know if adjustment needs to be changed in the first couple years, it'll be able to be, and stuff will still move. So with that, hey man, there's another modern performance delivery. We'll see ya.